retake, turn on the microphone. That's what happens when you try vlogging at 4 o'clock in the morning. So what I said was, good morning. I don't even know what I said. We have an early flight. I'm gonna take you guys along, try to. I woke up early, before my alarm, 4 o'clock. Just woke up this guy. Flight leaves at 7:25. Goal is to be out of the house by 5:15. Let's do this. Try it again. I'm getting in the shower first. I think that's all I said. He's laughing at me. Oh, and this is what the face looks like. See, it's already starting to wake up a little bit more than the first clip. We're good. Yeah. All right, shower time. Sorry, guys. Can't take you long in there. Gotta turn you off for now. Oh, gonna catch it. See, I woke up before my alarm went off. Shower done. Washed my hair, straightened it yesterday, so that saves some time. Always smart thing to do when you have to get up earlier. Trying to get this guy out of bed. Let's go, let's go. We got like 45 minutes. Suitcases.
You want to leave these on?
No, we can take tags off. 2 suitcases. I don't know how many carry-ons. Wait. Wait, no, they're all carry-ons.
All carry-ons.
Goal was,
checked no bag.
Well, this time. Goal was not to check in any baggage. Makes it easier that way. So, I'll go count how many.
I like the new suitcase though.
Hard case.
Oh, that's heavy. Since we're not gonna be here, we don't need the AC running. You know, we don't need a house that's normal temperature. So like adjusting the temperature to say, no one's here, so it's okay to be in the 80s.
And then when we get back on Sunday, it'll start cooling back down.
Yes.
Huge. Okay, so we have, what is this technically called, 3 carry-ons, and everybody has a personal.
Yep.
You have your laptop bag, my purse. Sierra has a backpack filled with whatever. Bryce has a backpack. Clothes, bathroom stuff, and streaming gear.
So wait, you got all 4 of us into 2 carry-ons?
Yeah.
Small carry-ons.
Yeah, but it's only 2 full days. It's a short trip.
True, it's a short.
3 nights, 2 full days. 5:16, not too bad. Okay, so we said 5:15. We are on the road at 5:24. Pretty smooth, and that's with me taking clips here and there, which obviously takes a little bit of time grabbing the camera. So I think we're on track. Dag butt.
Break. Where are we at?
Keto. I never say it right.
Dallas.
Keto. Oh, Dallas.
Oh.
You meant the restaurant.
Oh well, yeah, we're eating in Qdoba. No Mexican eats, but Yeah, we're in Dallas.
Bryce picked this one, so he's got the check mark
Get
on.
the check mark.
It really counts in the airport. We're not even at our destination. It's my favorite. Like, I've got everything. Coke waters are gross. There we go. It's literally flat Coke. Well, it's good Coke.
We made it. Got our little rental car. What are we driving in?
The Mitsubishi something. I don't know.
Mitsubishi.
Yeah. It's very similar to your RAV4. It's very similar to that size. Small crossover SUV.
Sorry. So about 30-mile drive, but with the curvy roads and traffic, it's almost an hour. So, we'll be at the hotel. Then we need to eat dinner. Explore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's class, Bryce. Look. There's the tournament.
Is our destination.
Oh, what?
I see a roller coaster.
Yeah, there's a couple roller coasters over there.
Look at that. It's literally vertical.
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen that before.
Anytime we go from West Coast to East Coast, it's always a long day of traveling because we lose time. All right, we made it into our hotel room, getting all settled in. We're gonna go right to dinner because we're all starving, but I thought I'd give you guys just a quick tour. We got a small little kitchenette here, full-size fridge, microwave, is that dishwasher?
Stove.
Dishwasher, a little stove. Really nice, really nice. We've got a little dining room table, 2 beds, TV.
Tall roof.
I know, tall roof, I know. Echo. And a little seat there. So, very nice, a lot of space, which is always nice and convenient. We travel a lot and we go to a lot, we stay in a lot of hotel rooms, and sometimes they're really tiny and sometimes they're really big. So it's nice to have a lot of room, especially with all 4 of us being here. So we're gonna hop back in the car and head off to dinner. All right, what do we got for dinner, kids?
Food.
Food.
I got pesto, shrimp pesto.
Shrimp pesto. Oh
I
yeah.
got chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo, looking good, Bryce, looking good. I went with the salmon with the spinach risotto and asparagus. Tiffany actually ordered an entree. Oh my gosh! We got pecan crusted chicken breast, Gouda, mashed potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Oh.
I don't think I ever tried one of these until I dated you or married to you. I don't
There's
know.
a lot of things you didn't try until you dated me. When I met Tiffany, she didn't like tomatoes, she didn't like onions, she didn't like mushrooms, she didn't like
Me.
a lot of things. Yeah.
Steve not. We're good. Oh, you want one?
Oh yeah. All right, we're back in the hotel, wrapping things up, unpacking, winding down. Gonna call it a night. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tomorrow, a busy day. We're going to start off by going to the beach, spend a couple hours there, then head back over here and explore Oa and see all the cool things they have to do. Check this out. I'll show you guys real quick. There's a little map they have going on here. All the things you can do. Those are the things we're gonna check out tomorrow. Very excited. Kids are very excited. Bryce keeps saying, I'm so excited. Anyway, so stay tuned. Tomorrow's video is gonna be action-packed. Though it is a sponsored video, so it might be delayed. They know that we post pretty much every day, so they're gonna be looking for our video and they're gonna be trying to approve it like ASAP. So if for some reason the vlog's not up tomorrow at the normal time, check the community tab, check my Twitter, check my Instagram, check Discord. A lot of you guys joined Discord in the last couple days. I love seeing all the new faces. I always keep you guys updated on where the vlog is, where the stream is, in the announcements and updates channel. But like I said, you can check Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff for any updates with the vlogs, if they're gonna be late, if there's not gonna be a vlog, that sort of thing. So be sure to check that if you're wondering what's going on, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Vlog on.